Professionals need an end-to-end solution for getting their files from camera to computer, where every piece is guaranteed to work together seamlessly. So we're proud to introduce the OWC Atlas cards and reader ecosystem. We've designed them to work together with our docks, storage, and software to provide you with the best system possible for getting your files from camera to computer. First up, not all memory cards are created equal. Some are designed to last longer than others, some cases are tougher than others, and many cards just don't live up to their claims about performance when they have to sustain high write and read speeds. This is precisely why we designed the Atlas Pro and Atlas Ultra SD and CFexpress Type B cards. They're designed to perform at your camera's top speeds. The Atlas Ultra CFexpress Type B cards are certified by Red Digital Cinema to run in their Raptor 8K cinema cameras. Our Atlas Ultra CFexpress cards can shrug off the toughest environmental challenges, including X-rays, UV rays, shocks, drops, extreme temperatures. Go ahead, shoot, store, swap with total peace of mind. And beyond that, they're the most affordable in their class. And that same commitment to performance and value is reflected through the entire lineup of OWC Atlas cards. Now, it's one thing to have peak performance in your camera, but it's another challenge when transferring your footage off the card. When you copy data from your card and reader will heat up. Even your cables can get hot. When heat gets introduced into the equation, your media card can respond by throttling your speeds. This is a feature, not a bug, in order to protect the data, the card, and the user, but this can slow your transfer down. So using the right reader that can appropriately dissipate heat is essential, which is why we designed the two new Atlas readers. Beyond being able to dissipate heat with ease and keep you transferring files at top speed, these two new readers address the needs of professionals based on the cameras that they have. Either the dual SD reader or the CFexpress and SD reader in one. When you are on the go, an attached USB-C cable ensures you're never going to be without the cable that you need. But there is an option to use the external port on the reader when you're in your home or in your office and need a longer cable run. Long story short, you're always going to be connected exactly the way you want to be with these two new readers. Since security and data integrity is at top of mind, we put a single write protect switch to control both slots of the readers. This eliminates the risk of accidental delete or format of a card that may not have been safely transferred yet. Depending on your workflow, there is a reader built with you in mind. The Atlas Dual SD, CFexpress and SD reader, and the Atlas FXR CFexpress readers were precisely tuned and built from the ground up to work with the Atlas cards, purpose-built for the professional. But how about the file transfer itself? How do you know that everything that is on the card makes its way to storage safe and sound? We all know that feeling deep in our stomach when it's time to format a card in your camera. Did I transfer everything correctly? But the set is waiting and you need to clear the card. So you take a deep breath and then you hit format. OWC's Copy That app takes the stress out of transferring your data. Copy That works with all levels of camera, including RE, Red, Blackmagic, and more. It checksum verifies that everything on your card was properly copied, and you can even generate a report showing you thumbnails of your footage. Talk about peace of mind. Taking the ecosystem one step further is OWC's Energize, which is software to optimize your memory card's performance. When you purchase an OWC Atlas card, you're going to be able to take advantage of three massive benefits of Energize: health, sanitize, and firmware upgrades. For professional content creators, photographers, and filmmakers who are often pushing their cameras and memory cards to the limits, Energize ensures that your memory cards are always ready to perform, and they won't let you down when you need them most. Energize does this in three ways. First of all, memory cards have a finite lifespan, so with health monitoring, you can always rest assured if your media card has been used over and over, Energize will alert you that your card is nearing the end of its expected lifespan, and it may be worth replacing to guarantee reliability when capturing your recordings. We can't predict the future, but this gets pretty close. Second is Sanitize. Peak performance is critical when working with demanding workflows such as 8K or 12K raw video or burst photography. So after completing a successful shoot and you've created multiple backups with Copy That, you can sanitize your card to restore it to a factory fresh status, ensuring your card will perform exactly as you expect it to every time. Finally, Energize provides you with firmware upgrade capabilities. The ability to update your Atlas card's firmware ensures that if there are any changes from the camera manufacturer or a new camera hits the marketplace, your card after an update will still work flawlessly. We work very closely with camera manufacturers to consistently deliver the finest and most compatible memory cards on the market. And with the ability to upgrade firmware, if and when that's necessary, Atlas cards are pretty future-proof. As a recommended best practice, Energize should be applied to your memory cards before any project that you think will require peak performance from your camera and card. Keep in mind that doing this will wipe all the content off your memory cards forever, more so than a standard format, So this means that there's no option to recover the media even with a data recovery tool. So please make sure you have at least 2 backups of your media before applying Sanitize to any of your cards. Our engineers truly thought of everything. Within Energize, you can quickly identify whether the right protect switch on the reader is engaged or if the right protect switch on your card is engaged. This will save you a bit of confusion and time when you're trying to clear your cards and get prepped for your next shoot. So here's the big picture. From cards to readers to cables to software to docks and storage, OWC has you covered. And the Atlas cards and readers are a great place for you to build out a robust workflow for capturing, transferring, and managing your valuable footage. OWC, from capture to completion.